Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Cancun demo. On this domain I have installed the VP Rentals theme and the theme included plugins. Now I will need to activate the theme. Here I will add my license code. I will press check license. Now the theme is activated. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for the demo icons to be imported along with the demo content, I will install the SVG Support plugin before importing the demo. I will go to Plugins, Add New, look for the SVG Support plugin. This is the plugin that I need to install. I will click Install Now. I will activate the plugin. I will go to the plugin settings and set the plugin to apply only from admin. Now I can proceed with the Cancun demo import. I will go to VP Rentals Options, Import Demo. Here you will find all available demos. I will look for the Cancun one. This is the demo. I will click Import Demo, click Continue and Import. And now I will wait for the demo content to be imported. The process might take a few minutes. The demo was successfully imported. I will click Visit Site. The home page and the other elements were imported. And next I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. First I will go back to admin. I will go to Settings Permalinks. Here I will set the permalinks to post name. Save changes. Next I will go to Theme Options. Here you will need to replace the demo settings with your own. In general settings you will be able to change country, measurement, unit and other settings. In logos and favicon you will have the option to upload your own logo. In booking settings you will be able to make settings for the booking process. You will be able to select the booking type, weekend days and make other settings. Next, in map section, you will need to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in Theme Options. In Payments and Submit, you will be able to make settings for the submission form, for the rental type. In Submission Payment Settings, you can choose the submission type that you want to use and make other settings for payments. And in this section you will be able to set payment gateways. You can enable WooCommerce and use any add-on for payments from WooCommerce, or you can use Theme, PayPal and Stripe. Next, in search section, you will have options for the theme advanced search. You will be able to select the search type and make other settings. Also, you will be able to select half map filters if you want to use a half map. Next, in SMS management, you have the option to enable the SMS service. You will have a video tutorial dedicated for the SMS management to see the settings that you need to apply. These are the steps that you need to take after the demo import from admin. Now I will go to the home page. All elements for the home page were imported, but for the page to look exactly as the official demo, you will have a section that will require manual adjustments. This is the one. We used a widget that will display listing categories, and since on import the categories ID will be different, the images will need to be manually uploaded. First, I will show how this widget was added in the page. Since the page was created with Elementor, I will click Edit with Elementor. I will scroll down to the categories section. This is the one. Here we used the VP Rentals Grids widget. We have set it to display categories. And now for each category that will show in the widget, we will need to manually upload image. I will go back to admin. Under listing section, you will find all listing categories. They will be categories: what do you rent, city, neighborhood, features and amenities, and property status. I will go to category, since this is the category that we used in the widget. And now I will upload an image for each category. I will edit the category, press the upload image button. You can upload an image from your device or select one from media. I will select an image from my device. I will select the image that I want to display, press insert into post and update. I will go back to the home page, I will refresh the page, and now you can see that the image that I uploaded shows correctly. I will go back to admin to categories, I will go back to the list of categories, and I will show another example. I will click edit, I will press upload image, I will select an image from my device, press insert into post and update. Since the steps are the same for all images, I will add the rest of the images of the record and after show the results. I added the rest of the images. Now the section shows as the official demo, and these are the steps that you need to take after the demo import. Next, I will show some quick guidelines on how to edit the homepage. I will go back to the Elementor editor. This is the header section. We have created it with Elementor. We added a video as the section background. You will be able to change it by going to the inner section, and in style you will be able to change the demo video link and replace it with your own. You will be able to change the cover image and make other settings. The text from the header can be changed from the heading widget, and this is the advanced search widget. Going further to the next section, here we divided the section in two columns. In the first column you'll have text, you'll have an image that you will be able to replace with your own. This text can be edited as well, and we added a button which you will be able to customize and add your own link and change settings. In the second column, we added images. We used the image Elementor widget. We uploaded these images. You will be able to edit each image and change settings. Going further to the next section, here we created a section to display the latest listings from the site. The section has a background image that you can change from the inner section. Here you will need to go to style. You will be able to change the background color, and from the background overlay you will be able to replace the image with your own. To display the listings, we used the VP Rental's recent items widget. For this widget you will be able to change settings like number of items that will be displayed and the number of items per row. Also, in filters section you will be able to filter the properties by categories. Going further to the next section, here you will have the categories section, which I already described. Here you will be able to change the category that will be displayed and make other settings. Next, we have created a testimonial section. This section also has an image for the background. You will be able to change this image by going to the style section. In background overlay, you will be able to replace the demo image with your own and make other settings. The text was added with the heading widget. You will be able to change the words and make other settings. For the testimonials, we used the VP Rentals testimonial widget. You will have the option to change client name, title, image and text. Going further to the next section, here we created a list of owners. We used the VP Rentals featured owner to display each owner. For the widget to work properly, here you will need to add the owner ID. I will show where you can take these IDs. I will go back to admin, and in owners you will have the list of owners available in your site, and here is the ID that you need to copy in the widget. I will go back to the Elementor editor. Going further to the next section, here we displayed blog posts. We used the VP Residence featured article widget to display the blog post that we wanted. We added the ID of the article. I will show where to take this ID from. I will go back to admin. I will go to posts. Here you will find the list of blog posts, and this is the ID that you need to copy in the widget. I will go to the next section, which is the last one on the page. We also added an image as background. For this section, you will be able to change it from the inner section. You will need to go to style, and in background overlay you will be able to replace this image with your own. In this section, we added a contact form. We used the contact form builder widget. Here you have the option to change fields and make other settings. For this section, we used the VP Rentals Accordions widget, and for this section as well, you will be able to change icon, text, and other settings. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.